guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a unboxing of my new Freddy Krueger figure that I got off of Temu. Freddy Krueger figure is from the Nightmare on Elm Street's Wes Craven's New Nightmare, and this one is the 1994 figure. From the packaging, back of it just looks like this. It does come with like some accessories, which I'm really excited about. Like a little picture of him right there. It's the figure out of the box. Ha 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 ha. This is so freaking cool. So here is a Freddy out of the box. He has this little claw hand. Super cool. Here is an up close of his face. Like, look at the detail in his face and in his neck. Guys, his accessories. So he has his Freddy hat. There's the phone where Nancy's on the phone and the tongue comes sticking out of the phone. That's so cool. Here's one of his faces that it comes with. The other face it comes with. Here is his other hand. This is Nancy's husband's face. Freddy comes with a other face too, which is the one he came with, so he gets like 3 faces. Okay, first let's put on Freddy's hat. So there he is with his hat on. That's so funny. Okay, I'm gonna change his face. So I think I just... Does it pop off? Aha. It just pops off. I'll try on these two. But I think I'm gonna pick this one to put on him. Because the one with him smiling is more badass, so. Put this back on is the question. These are not easy to put on. Here's the face I chose to put on him, but we'll try on the other faces like I said. And here he is with this face. That's so funny. Look at him. Look at him with his hat on. Oh my gosh, it's so funny. And then here's the face he came with. So, like I said, I'm gonna pick this one to use. And there's the face. I put the face on. Oh my god, it's so funny. So creepy though, look at it. Hat on, there you go. He has this hand. It's the phone with the tongue hanging out of the phone. Oh, this is my Freddy Krueger figure off of Temu. Honestly, this is incredible. I would think this was from like Amazon or like the NECA website. So like I highly recommend this figure. This is my first horror figure off of Temu and I'm in love with their figures. They do such an amazing job with them. I'm definitely going to order more of them off Temu because it is my Freddy Krueger figure. Very, very cool. I absolutely love it so much. Here is Freddy displayed. I had to get him to sit down because he didn't really stand properly. So here he is on my shelf. Anyways guys, that is my Freddy Krueger unboxing video. I hope that you guys did enjoy this. Thanks so much for watching and I will talk to you guys in my next video.